Lucky's Wheels and Deals. Back at it. I'm in the Mustang. Y'all can see. Man, it seems like I don't know if I'm getting more people that trying to race me in this Mustang. Cause I've been in this Mustang. I don't know, is it because it's extra louder? But I don't know. Little Mustang right there. But I don't know, it seems like people are trying to race me more in this Mustang than like my Corvette, Monte Carlo, Camaro. Like people always want to call it. Hey, nobody don't want no smoke with the vet. These trucks trying to gas on me. This car to me is not really fast, but hey, sounds fast. So, is this the replacement for the Monte Carlo? No. The Chevy gang on mine all day. But I'm having fun with this Mustang, man. I just realized I had this Mustang parked since I got it. Since I got it, I had a park. I haven't even did no videos with this Mustang. I haven't been driving this Mustang. I got too many cars. I don't know which one to drive, which one not to drive. When I start driving a car and start liking it, I end up start putting money into it and too much money into it that where I don't make no money, you know, that can mess me up in the long run. Especially if I know I'm not going to keep a car. But I'll have fun, man. I like all cars. But me, I prefer to have Chevys. I love Chevys for my personal car. I'll buy any car to sell. Don't get it twisted. But yeah, I'm having fun with this little Mustang. No? I'm gonna have a little fun with it. Well, yeah, man, the Monte Carlo SS is gone. It's sold. Man, I know a lot of people gonna be mad, like, oh no, they don't make that many of them. They're hard to find. That is true. I think they only made 10,000 Monte Carlos, period, in 06 and 07 together. And I don't know. People are saying they only made 400 Monte Carlo SSs. Yee. Brakes is not as good as my Corvette with the Brembo brakes, man. Sorry. He over there again. I'm really headed somewhere. I'm not trying to race nobody, really. I'm really trying to hurry up and get to my destination. I got shit to do. Man, it's damn traffic, man. See how these pipes sound with the windows down. Got flow masters on there. I'm not sure which flow masters, and I'm pretty sure probably got the 40s on there. But it sound good. Yeah, it sounds pretty good. It sounds decent. But yeah, man, I had this car parked, man. Like, I don't be wanting to put a whole bunch of money in the car. Not that I had to do anything to this car. I noticed that the tires are a little bald in the back because people are spinning them out. Noticed that, but I don't want to spend no money on no tires. What happens if I get on the flat right now and I don't want to spend no money on no tires? That's more money going into my car and cutting into my profit. I need to make all the money I can make. I don't want to buy no used tires, no nothing. It's rolling, it's driving good, but I know they're kind of slick. And eventually, if I keep driving it, I'm gonna have to end up putting tires on it. I gotta be cheap with cars that I'm about to sell. But then I be wanting to drive them and have fun with them and pull out. But then when I finally get noticed by someone for the first time that don't know I got a Corvette and I'm a Chevy guy, and I get smashed on by a Chevy, that's gonna be embarrassing. Like, man, I don't even fuck with Fords anyways. I'm really a Chevy guy. kind of do feel like a trader when I'm driving in this damn Mustang. But I mean, it's a V8. It's fun. I mean, it's just a car at the end of the day, and it's fun. But this Chevy Camaro shit, this shit is real. Motherfuckers really be beefing with each other. Oh, this is Chevy on mine. This is Ford on mine. This is Mopar on mine. Dodge, whatever. But I mean, that shit is real in the car culture. The muscle car battles of the muscle cars. But man, still looking clean, all that. They looking real nice, real clean. Started right up. The battery wasn't dead. This will be going up for sale soon. Not yet. I think I'm still gonna drive around and have fun with it. Since I sold the Monte Carlo, I might turn this into my daily for a while until I get tired of it, and then I probably might hop into the Cobalt SS. I don't know what I'm about to do. I might get something new. I'm just gonna have to stay tuned and look forward to what I do in the future. What kind of cars I'm gonna get. I'm gonna get something. I always keep cars. It's gonna be a Chevy, and I'm gonna keep it lit, man. It's gonna, I always get the good Chevys. I like to get the cars that's rare, that no one has. I just like to have shit that people can't get, and I always find them. I'll hunt cars down. I'll go state to state looking for cars if I have to. I don't mind traveling. This is what I do. This is what I enjoy doing. This is what I love to do. Well, yeah, I'm gonna continue while I'm waiting in this traffic. But I mean, it's not real. It's not like LA traffic or nothing like that. But it's not the traffic that I'm used to. It's supposed to be free flow. I don't want to be driving. How fast am I going? God damn, I'm going what, 10 miles per hour? Lower than that. I don't got patience. I got things to do. But anyways, just like that, this video's over. Make sure you guys like, share, comment, subscribe. Lucky's Wheels and Deals, and I'm out. Yay!